Welcome to the second screencast about the IKS Content Enhancement demo. Building up on Stefan's work you have seen in the first screencast, I give you a quick demo on how you can actually use the stuff from within Drupal. So on this side, the content gets indexed with Apache Stamble, as you have seen in the first screencast. Then I have added the YJS autocomplete widget on the term reference field here on articles. You can see the widget is selected here. Then I've also installed what you get module and added the nice edit editor with it, and added that annotate button here, which triggers annotations with Apache Stamble via the annotate.js JavaScript library. So let's give this a short test and add some additional content for the test. Add a person, maybe Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. Save that. Then go ahead and add a test article. Write some tags here and actually the text annotations now. So we can see Apache Stamble has given us 3 results. So we link Paris to Paris in France. We have Bob Marley here from Wikipedia. And here's John, which got found from this page. And this is the term reference field with the autocomplete widget, and it also goes to Apache Stamble, so we get the same results here. It also works with the local content, so if we enter Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, it finds it from this side also, but as well from Wikipedia, because he is available on both sides. Okay, save that. So we have got the article here. You can see the annotations linked to the original resources, which in the case of John is just the content on this page. Then we have also got some tags here. For Paris, a term had actually been auto-created because it's not available on this site. So it has auto-created the term and also stored the reference on the original resource here in Wikipedia. That's it.